Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dustin, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do Suho from the webtoon True Beauty's makeup look. So if you want to see how I got my look, just keep on watching. I'm first priming my face with the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. Going in with my foundation, I'm going to apply that all over my face and then blend it out with a damp beauty blender. Next, I'm going to set my face with a damp beauty blender. Taking my favorite contour shade, I'm going to contour my nose. For the eye look, I'm basing it off of the webtoon instead of the drama, since the webtoon has a little bit more definition. So going in with my first shade, I'm just laying it down as a base. Mixing the two brown shades, I'm going to apply that all over my eyelids in an upward motion. Taking the deepest shade in the palette, I'm going to apply that on my outer lash line. Taking a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend that all together. Taking the first two brown shades that we mixed, I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line as well. Also, taking the deep brown shade, apply that to your outer lower lash line only. Now taking the shimmer shade, I'm going to apply that to my inner tear duct. And also, if you get too much, you can take a spoolie and scrape gently on your eye and it will remove any extra glitters. Now taking my brow gel, I'm going to apply that all over my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with an orangey blush and apply that all over my cheeks and the tip of my nose. Okay, so for lips, I decided to do the lips in the kdrama. So I'm just lining my lips per usual and then applying a muted rose like velvet matte lip tint and then feathering that out all over my lips. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Ashley's video because this was a collaboration where she teaches you guys how to look like Sujin. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at AO3THN, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!